We won't be able to have a live lesson on Tuesday because I'm in school for the morning, and that coincides with our period 4. So I'm just going to do a recording of the lesson in advance, so you can just play the recording. So it's Tuesday's lesson 23.4, surface area of cuboids, and it's going to lead into doing the Hegarty maths quiz 584, please. So a cuboid is something that looks like this. Okay, so it's something that's it can either be like a cube, like if you're rolling a dice, or a cuboid is where it's more rectangular. And now we need to work out the surface area of these. Now that's not the volume. The volume is the space inside the shape. The surface area, just imagine you were covering it with wrapping paper and you were cutting out the paper very precisely. What amount of paper would you need to cover the surfaces of the cuboid? So they're quite straightforward, but you just need to set your workings out clearly so you don't miss anything. So here's an example, okay? Work out the surface area of this solid cuboid. Now clearly this has got 6 surfaces. It's got the front, the back, the 2 sides, the top, and the bottom, and you just need to work out the area of each of those rectangles and add them together. So if we imagine the front, here's the front, okay, so that's got a base of 5 and a height of 8, so base of 5, a height of 8, and obviously the back would be the same surface, so there's the back. Now if you just imagine the 2 sides, so here's the right hand side, that's got a base of 2 and a height of 8, and that's the right side. Then obviously there's the left side over on the left. So here we go, the left side and the right side. So in your workings, just write down the dimensions, and then clearly it's got a base and it's got a top. So it's got a top and a bottom, and you can see that they are 2 by 5. So over here I've done quick sketches of the 6 sides, and I've written in blue the base and the heights. So clearly to work out the area of a rectangle, it's just base times height. So 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and then you add up all of those surfaces, giving me a total surface area of 132 meters squared. Note it's meters squared because it's an area, it's surface area. So that's how you do it if it's a solid cuboid. Okay, the other type of question that will come up in the quiz is when it's an open top box. So it's not solid. Okay, now they're just asking us to work out the outer surface area of this open top box. So that's going to be 5 sides and not 6. So it's the back, the front, the 2 sides, and the base, not the top, because it's an open top box. So same approach, okay, just do a little working on the side. So the front and the back are 4 by 9. The left and the right sides are 3 along, 9 going up, and the bottom is 4 by 3. So again, work out each of those 5 areas, add them together, and you get 138 meters squared. So that's it, guys. So all I want you to do, please, is just go and do quiz number 584. I'm going to be back. Yes, I'll get around to actually transferring your marks across probably on Wednesday. Okay, but I am around for our normal live lesson on Wednesday. Okay, guys, take care.